Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's do the unboxing of this Frothier. It's a Hadineeon brand and it's a milk Frothier. It was sent to me by Hadineeon themselves and I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing and also a review, what I think about the product. I do know that I have done an unboxing and a review of a Frothier on this channel in the past, but I was super excited to do this because hey guys, I like to try new things out. I'm adventurous. I'm always curious as well. So I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing today. And let's check this product out, guys. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. Please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. So as you guys can see, it came in a double box, which I think is super cool. Let's put all this to the side right now. We don't need anything obstructing us. So this is the Hadineeon electric milk frothier. It's automatic and these are the specifications, the warning and the customer support on the side of the box. Okay. And this is what the kettle actually looks like. More instructions on the side of the box. Cold frothing, warm frothing, however you do like your milk before you have it in either your latte, your coffee, or in your cappuccino. So let's get straight to this unboxing. Let's see what's inside of the box. I am curious and I believe you guys too are as well. I am making this video in the summertime. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading it, but I do know as of the time I'm making it, fall is near, fall is close, guys. Perfect timing. Anyway, guys, this is the kettle. This is a jug, sorry, the milk jug basically. This is the manual. Looks fancy. I will read it later. This is the brush for cleaning inside of the milk jug. And here we do have the power base. Wow, see, look, shiny, guys. Fancy. It's cool. You gotta be clean to be able to take care of this. All right, so let's get rid of this stuff that was tied on the cord. So doing my research, I did get to realize that this frothier is an automatic frothier. It has 4 functions in one, which I think is super cool. We need to try out those functions. You guys can see 1, 2, 3, yeah, functions on, off. The transparent lid, I think is cool too. I think it comes in different colors, the green, white, and the black. Oh, thank you for sending me the white Hadineeon. Hadineeon. Thank you guys so much for sending me the white color. I do love it. These are the function on and off buttons. Transparent lid. Nice. Fancy too. And right here, this is an extra milk heating whisk. Very easy to assemble too. Wow. I think that's just super cool. You know, you don't want to be doing an unboxing and be stressing over it. You guys see this, so easy, super easy. Let's just put all this trash to the side. We'll take care of this later. And what else can I say about this product so far? I think I like the product. Not I think, I do like it. I feel it's an ideal gift. Do you guys see how portable it is? And it is affordable, guys. It is only $42.98 on the Hadineeon website. This is just an overview of what the product looks like. Let me bring it closer for you guys to see. That's the function written up there, the on and off, and then the 4 functions, what it does. I will explain that later. You guys see? I think it's cool, guys. This is ideal for a gift for all coffee lovers. We're almost in the holiday season. Those of you thinking of what to give that your boss or that your colleague at work or that your friend, that your lover that likes coffee. This is ideal. So easy, so portable, affordable, cheap. Beautiful product as well, guys. I love. Oh, so it has the minimum and maximum level in here. I did put it in the minimum level because I'm making just for myself, some cold coffee just for myself. The weather is really hot today, guys. So let's see what these functions are here. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. So let's start with this one. This is the frothing. This is the function button basically. So the first one gives you the frothing and warm milk. The second one gives you warm and thin foam. And the third one, this one actually gives you warm milk without frothing. And this last one gives you frothing cold milk. So this frothing cold milk froths for 120 seconds, guys. So let's wait and see. While this is working, let's look inside and see how it's frothing. The whisk is working real good. As I was saying initially, guys, it has a large capacity and it has a double wall design, which I think is cool. You know, it's ideal for a gift. Coffee lovers, latte lovers will love this. Smooth, tasty milk foam. You guys see this? This looks so smooth and tasty too. And remember, it's the 4-in-1 multifunctional cold milk foam, warm airy milk foam, warm dense milk foam, and warm milk. Just warm milk for all those people that like just milk. Not my thing. So guys, if you've watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I will be dropping a link to this product in the description so you could go purchase this product for yourself or a loved one as a gift. You know, you would like this product. It's very quiet, no noise, froths the milk perfectly well, smooth, fine, beautiful, and I really did like it. So I will recommend this product and I will buy it again if I have to actually buy as a gift for someone. And if you love coffee and you need a frothier, please do send me a message. I will be giving out one frothier. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. Bye!